Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. Let's start the video. Firstly, click on Facebook app. Click on menu right bottom corner. Click on settings icon top right corner. Click on account center. Click on personal detail. Account ownership and control. Tap on it. In account ownership and control page, click on deactivation and deletion. Choose account here you want to delete. Choose second option here. Delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. Your main profile, messenger and all your message will also be deleted. Choose second option here and click on continue. Select any one option here, then click on continue. Staying safe on Facebook. Click on continue. Again completely scroll down and click on continue. Enter your Facebook password, then click on continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. Click on delete account. Wait for a few seconds here. You can see Facebook account is deleted. In this way you can delete Facebook account permanently. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.